Well, hello everybody out there on the internet. This is Real Man Pones, and it's time to fix my door handles on my my new truck here, or old truck. Doesn't work. This one's broken. The other one doesn't have one. I'll fix this door first, and I got my tools down here. I got my 2 replacements. I've got a flathead screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, and a socket wrench with a 10mm socket, and a towel, a hand towel. That will be important. So let's see if we can get this done. All right, let's see. Let's move. We're going to have to slide y'all out. Put y'all down there. All right. Yeah. All right, now this down here, this has, alrighty, I got this hook here. I'm gonna try to use that to get it out with. Tell me I got it stuck. That's the last thing I need. Alrighty, we got it. This little pin right here, that's the bugaboo. Now this comes right off. Doesn't even have the washer it's supposed to have, but this goes back on. Make sure it's not the way I want it. Yeah, right like that. And then I can put it back on when I'm ready. Alrighty. Now we got to take off this handle. This is already taken off, this little triangle here. So let's let me change this out. Are you even on? Yeah, you're on. Good. Alright, let's... Alright, let's... Alright. I'm gonna put the screw in my pocket. I don't want to lose that. Now, this is, you slide it toward the front of the, like that, and then it should come right out. This one's broken some, so if I can remove it without totally busting it. There you go, right there. See that? And this is where it's connected here. We got to take, I don't know if you can see it, with that little white tab right there. Got to take that off the metal bar and then take the bar out of this thing. So let's get good do you. Let's see. There you go. And there it is, and it's all. Now we're gonna take off here. All we gotta do here now. I can't see them, but let me see what we got. Can't see, but I can feel it, I guess. I might have to have a flashlight because I can't see that. Unless those are flatheads. Those could be flatheads. Let's see. I don't know. I'm gonna have to get a light. I'll be back. Alrighty, I got that off, and now we're gonna try to slowly take the door off. Sure there's no wires. Okay, there's no speaker hanging there, so. And there we go. That wasn't hard. Alrighty. Now we got to get in here. I should have rolled the window up some more. Damn it. Where's that? There's that. Take the pin out so it won't get stuck. There we go. Roll the window up. So you got to remember to have your window rolled up. Now, and here is where we got to go. Got this bolt and another one just like it on the other side, 10mm. I'll be back. Alrighty, well, that's off. Well, at least it's unscrewed. Let's see if we can manipulate it. There we go. I might need to get it out there. There's the lock, which is still stuck. Let me get the lock out the other side. There we go. Okay, you're hooked onto here. Don't know what happened to this broke, but something about it broke. Whatever. Let's see if we can keep that lock on there. Let's get the new one. All right. Hopefully everything's the same size. All right, now. Can I do this and keep this on here? That would be nice. There we go, this side. Okay. Well, let's take it off. That'll be the easier solution. Without breaking it. Alright, let's see if we can do this. Yeah, actually that wasn't too hard. Alright. There we go. Oh shit. Okay, there it is. There's you. No, that is not the one. That's the other one. Okay, there's the other one. Okay. I see. So let's on this new one here. Goes in like that. In like Flynn. Let's see if we can get you in here. That's gonna be tough. I don't know, maybe I can do that. Maybe I can do that while I'm on the inside. Alright. Okay. And we got this little thing here that's got to get in the right spot. Yeah, that's like that. There you go. Okay, that's in. Now, let's see if we can get this in at the same time. Shit, I ain't gonna do it that way. Okay, it's gonna have to go this way somehow. There we go. That's better. There we go. Alright, now yeah. Alright, let's see. Oh, no, I gotta... still ain't into it right. Okay, let's... Now I know what I gotta do. Got to get you in there first. Okay. And let's get you on there. You fucker. There we go. Now we got that in. Let's see if we can get this in. This is going to be really tough. Okay. There we go. Come on, you. There you go. All right, now you're in. Now the other one has got to go where the hell? Shit. Look at the damn thing. Let's see how it's here. Oh, come on. Well, I halfway got it in there. It tightens, but then it breaks loose. Then it tightens and it breaks loose. So I don't know what's wrong with the thing, but we'll leave it like it is and see what happens. And then I'll fix this one too. Well, I got everything in and it seems to be working. So let's pop this back on. Roll down the window to make sure so I can open it back up if I have to. And let's see what we got there. Alrighty. We'll start with the outside. And that's not working. Well, that's not good. What about the inside? Well, the inside works. Well, at least that works. This is not quite right on that. So, yeah, I'll work on it some more. Well, I'm back. And I finally got it done. So let's see there. We're going to lock it. Of course, the window's open, but, you know. And then we're going to take the key and unlock it. Okay, and it opens. And there you go, and Bob's your uncle. Now the other door, I did something wrong, but I can't open the door. So I'm gonna have to figure that one out. We'll see. Oh! And it opens. You see? There's nothing you can't do if you put your mind to it. Oh, this has been Real Man Pones working on the truck. Oh,